Hello, my dear learners. Welcome back to online learning platform of Shri Baswa Public School. I hope you all are fine at home and doing well with your all activities. Children, today's session I am going to start a new grammar topic from your grammar textbook, which is adverb. Yes, so today's session is going to be based on adverb and their kinds. It is going to be start with the definition of adverb. So let's start the explanation of the chapter adverb from your grammar textbook. So let's start adverbs. What is adverbs? An adverb is a word which adds to the meaning of a verb and tells us how a thing is done when it is done or where it is done. Read the sentences given below, children. The peacock dances gracefully. How it dances? Gracefully. My mother was quite happy when I received the award. My Mr. Chandra works very hard. The words gracefully, quite, very are all adverbs. In sentence 1, the adverb gracefully modifies the verb dances. In sentence 2, the adverb quite modifies the adjective happy. In sentence 3, the adverb modifies the adverb hard. Kinds of adverbs. There are 6 kinds of adverbs. Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, and adverb of frequency or number, adverb of quantity or degree, adverb of interrogative. These are the kinds of adverbs, and next one is relative adverb. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manners express the way or the manner in which action are done. They answer the question how. Examples: Rohan entered the room quietly. The boy runs quickly. The patient slept soundly. Adverbs of manner usually end in ly. We form these adverbs by adding ly to adjectives. Bad, badly, great, greatly, for example. But some adverbs of manner do not end in ly. Anand played well. They worked hard. Adverbs of place. Adverbs of place tell us where things happened or where action are performed. They answer the question where. Example: My mother is sitting outside. The birds flew away. All the students are downstairs. The most common adverbs of place are given here: up, down, out, near, upstairs, away. These are the examples of adverbs of place. Outdoors, inside, outside, nowhere, somewhere, backward, here, there, in, everywhere, sideways, indoor. All the adverbs of place will be describing the place of action. Adverbs of time. Adverbs of time tell us the time: today or yesterday or tomorrow, daily, lately, ago, etc. It should be describing the time. When someone does something or when some action is performed, they answer the question when. Example: Anil met me yesterday. The train will arrive soon. The salesman came late. Some common adverbs of time are before, yesterday, never, formerly, today, daily. These are the examples for adverbs of time: tomorrow, early, now, soon, late, already, ago. And adverbs of frequency or number are: adverbs of frequency or number expresses how often someone does something or how often an action is performed. They show us how often. Example: I called at your office twice. The bus was nearly overcrowded. She is always late for school. Some common adverbs of frequency or number are, for example, always, weekly, fortnight, annually, again, never, once, twice, usually, seldom, daily, monthly, ever, frequently, often, greenery. Generally. Children, these are the adverbs of frequency or number. Adverbs of quantity or a degree. An adverb of quantity or a degree tells us how much or what degree to what extent a thing is done. Example, Rachita treats his servants very badly. Rohan is too careless. His face was extremely red with anger. Some common adverbs of quantity or degree are almost, quite, as, so, enough, nearly, to, more, most, entirely, completely, just, and, very, hardly, slightly, fairly, badly, rather, barely, deeply, only, much, far, really. Adverbs of interrogative. Adverbs of interrogative are used for asking questions. Example, when will they come? Time. Where is your house? Place. Relative adverbs. Relative adverbs modify words and refer to things or persons that performs refer to why, when, where and how are relative adverbs. Mother has forgotten the time when she took her medicines. I have no idea how the fly got into the pan. Adverbs of quantity or degree. An adverb of quantity or degree tell how much or to what degree a thing is done. Read the sentences given below. I am extremely sorry. The old woman seems very tired. Mohan is too careless. The jug is nearly fully. Adverbs of quantity or a degree can also modify verbs, adjectives and adverbs. I really enjoyed the movie modifies the verb enjoyed. The sun is extremely hot in June modifies the adjective hot. He is walking very slowly modifies the adverb slowly. In the above sentences, the adverbs really, extremely and slowly show how much or to what degree or to what kind extent a thing is done. An adverb of quantity or a degree answers the questions to what degree or to what extent. Here is a list of some common adverbs of quantity or a degree. Here are the examples of using the words to express the adverbs of quantity or degree. Completely, just, hardly, slightly, fairly, too, very, quite, more, most, entirely, etc. So children, this is the explanation of the chapter adverb. I hope you understand it. Thank you so much for watching the video.